This video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Keep or shopping list. So we can start using this by adding in items onto the list into our tick sheet. Once you have done that, you can add subtitles, for example, bakery, breakfast, stuff like that. And then the items that are underneath this category, you can drag them to the right by pressing the three dots in the square icon. Drag that, and that will create a subtitle underneath your main title, and they'll be clustered together. So when you tick them off, when you have completed them, they will all tick off. Or you can tick the individual boxes. You can also connect with other people. You can to your shopping, so you both can edit on the fly. Shopping lists as priority over other things that are appearing in your notes in your Google Keeps. So customize the color and design of the background to make it more visually to you. You can also set a date and time, like an alarm, for when you want to be doing this, and that it links up calendar, which is very. But yeah, that's how you do that. This video helped. Speak to you soon.